guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Simply Earth. This is the monthly essential oil recipe box for January. So let me dig to the bottom here. You always get recipe cards and stickers. That way you can label all of your products when you're done making them. Very helpful. And then here's the first card, fresh natural deodorant. And the recipe on that one does continue to the back of the card. Then we have a winter contentment roll-on. That one has citrus burst and clary sage. Probably smells really good. Now on the back of that card, there's a sneak peek at next month's box. Tells you which essential oils you're getting. The next one is Morning Glory Body Powder. There's patchouli in that one, which I love that scent. Then on the back of that card, there's a note from Katie, who's the recipe formulator at Simply Earth. The next recipe is a Joy Solid Perfume. And on the back of that card, it talks about how they donate 13% of their proceeds to a human trafficking charity. So the one they chose this month is called Wipe Every Tear. There's a different one every month, which is really awesome. Then we have a New Year, New Me Diffuser blend. Oh, I bet that's wonderful. It has pine and patchouli in that one. There's some information about how to get 50% off your box, which I do have a promo code below as well, where you get a gift card if you join. And the last one is Armpit Detox Mask. Sounds pretty interesting. And that one has the additional details for the January box, including all the essential oils, the extras that came in the box, and then more information about the essential oils, if they're safe for pregnancy, dogs, cats, kids, all that good stuff. So let's take a look in here. This is the homemade natural deodorant little container. That's super cute. Very nice. Also have a body power. We also have a body powder puff. That's cute. Some clay. And some zinc oxide. So any of the carrier oils, you get that twice a year, you get it every 6 months. In your bonus box, you get all the extra containers, bottles, carrier oils, all that good stuff. And then the essential oils. So first up we have patchouli, and that says dark patchouli. We have pine, one of my very favorite scents of all time. Also have clary sage. And the last one, which is citrus burst, and that has grapefruit, orange, bergamot essential oils in it. That is so awesome. So I will make sure I put all their information in the description box below, including how to get that gift card if you guys would like to sign up. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.